Hi, here is Wolfgang again from the Mines and Money Conference in London. I'm here on the Ontario province hosting a couple of very exciting mining companies, especially here Harte Gold is one of my favorites in Canada, operating also in Canada, and I have Stephen Rowan with me, the CEO of the company. He will explain us a little bit about his business model and strategy, how he has become a producer and how he want to progress as a gold producer in the near future. Hi Stephen, welcome to London. How was the last 12 months actually on your operational side?
The last 12 months have been very exciting. We actually started the portal and did our first blast 1 year ago. Now we have developed about 2.5 kilometers of workings underground. We've opened 5 levels and we are currently mining about 500 tons a day and shipping to Barrick Gold. Barrick has a big mill in Hemlo, the very famous Hemlo mine, and they are processing our material from the Harte Gold Sugar Zone deposit.
So that's a big advantage for your company, that you don't have to build actually an own operating mine here, so you can use the Barrick existing mine and you ship the ore to them. But do you want to change that strategy in the coming years, or what is the game plan here?
Yes, so we have the mine actually on our property. Barrick has a mill, so we need to make sure that the terms are correct there. So we are mining, they are milling, but in order for us to become more profitable, we need to have our own mill. So we are now permitting our own mill for commercial production, and we should have our commercial permits in hand by about next summer, by June or July, and then we will start constructing our own mill so that we are a standalone gold mining operation, not having to ship our ore to a custom miller.
That's very good. So obviously you have used to get early cash flow into your company to be much stronger than as a pure exploration company. So that's a good business model. I really like it. But how long will it take to get your own mill up and running and operating?
We can have it up and running and operating by this time next year, so 1 year from now.
And you have already some CapEx numbers out there. Have you done some studies you released about how much it will cost to build actually the mill and all the other infrastructure you need for operating by yourself?
Yes, we have. We have, and the number is approximately $30 million to construct the mill, which is about $15 million. Our tailings is probably in the $5 million range. Bringing in power, which will be costing about $8 million, and some further underground development. So in total, about a $30 million project, which will produce about $100 million a year in revenue from gold sales.
But those numbers are pretty, I would say, makeable. Not too much money you need, and obviously with the 30 million you can produce a lot of cash flow and then grow the company. So you have announced recently capital financing. Can you comment on that?
Yes, we just announced last week a $25 million financing with a group called Appian and also Cantor Fitzgerald. So Cantor Fitzgerald did a bought deal financing, and Appian also participated for a total of $25 million. That's going to be used to accelerate the development of the project, including a much larger scale exploration program, since we have a very large property here that has potential for many mines, not just this mine. So we are going to accelerate that exploration and also accelerate the permitting and the development of the mine.
Okay, that means you are in a development stage, having cash flow already with the toll milling through Barrick, but you are going to build your own facility. Within a year you will be finished. You have probably soon the cash when you close the financing, and then it's only a question of time when you can deliver more value for your shareholders. Is that a correct summarize?
I would say that's a pretty good summary, Wolfgang. I think Obviously, the mine moving into commercial production is going to be a big plus for the shareholders. We have 10 years of mine life there already defined, and it's getting larger now. And I think also what really gets the market excited is exploration results. So as we drill more holes and we come up with more ounces, you will see the value of the stock go up.
So this is from Mines and Money. I have met Steven a year ago, and obviously he's done very well over the last 12 months. Delivered a lot of check boxes, and actually the price went up 3 times the time when I have met with him a year ago. So Steven, thank you very much for the kind interview, and I wish you a lot of success for the next 12 months. Hopefully we can do that again. Thanks.